Until today. Hot gas bubbles from molten magma percolating up through the seafloor. Perfect for scratching up against. Leo finds a group of females who welcome him to their little spa and happily show him the art of exfoliation. Once they're good and pampered, Leo tags along with them as they head back to their home island. Leo's hit the jackpot. A beach full of females. Finally, a community he can be a part of. Whoa! Leo did not realize there was going to be any competition here. He's way outmatched. Banished for the second time in his life. Leo heads north, toward the most remote islands in the archipelago. But even out here, in the vast empty blue, there are pockets of life. A bait ball of Pacific sardines. The changing shapes and colors are mesmerizing. And Leo quickly finds himself chasing shadows. Luckily, a roaming sea lion pod shows up to pitch in. Bait balls like this are fleeting spectacles and rarely last for long. As he departs with a belly full of sardines, Darwin, the most remote region of the Galapagos. For Leo, this is the edge of the world. Sea lions can only remain out at sea for so long. Eventually, they have to warm up on land. Timing the leap is incredibly difficult. Get it wrong, and you could be smashed against the rocks. Miraculously, he's found a ledge where he can finally rest.